D is in doggy, huh? Wow, look at my baby. My baby's so smart, all grown up now. She's good at puzzles. There's the A. There you go. A as in?
Apple.
Apple. Good job.
A water.
The X? Oh, X is a little hard. You gotta turn it, huh? There you go. Alright. Turn it the other way. Turn it. One more time. Turn. There you go. Oh, getting frustrated? Okay, here. Mommy help you. Mommy help you. Okay, there. There. Oops, upside down. There. Okay, go ahead. The L. There you go. Good job. B. Good job. A circle, yep. The circle is O, huh? O is an owl. And I think that's the Z, baby. Kind of looks like an N, though, huh? The Z. There you go. Good job. Good job, S. What's that one? A Y.
It's a yo-yo.
That's a yo-yo, that's right.
Yo-yo there.
Yeah.
Well, then
Almost done. 3 more letters. Alright, got the E in there. Good job. The Q. And you turn it until it goes in. Almost. Keep going. Uh-oh. Fix the K, huh? Alrighty. Uh-oh, turn it around. Upside down. There you go. Good job. Go ahead, you got it. Upside down. Upside down, baby. Upside down.
I can fix it.
Okay, turn it around. You can do it. You got it. Look at the K. Look at the K. See? There. Oh, too far, too far. This way. There. There, you got it. P. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. H. Where does the H go? The house. That's right. Good job. And then the Q. Yay! Oops. Just turn it. Just turn it. Look at the Q. See? Upside down. Turn it around with the blue side. There you go. You did it! Smile for camera. Smile. Cheese.